Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Grands biscuits using an easy method. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need a can of your favorite refrigerated biscuit dough. Make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures the biscuits bake evenly and rise beautifully. Also, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. It makes cleanup a breeze and prevents sticking. This simple preparation sets you up for perfect biscuits every time. Now that your oven is hot and your sheet is ready, let's get those biscuits onto the pan. Carefully open the can of dough and separate each biscuit. Place them about 1 inch apart on your parchment-lined baking sheet. This spacing allows for proper air circulation, helping them cook evenly. Pop them into the preheated oven and bake for approximately 11 to 15 minutes, or until they are a lovely golden brown. Knowing when your biscuits are perfectly baked is key. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color on both the top and bottom. They should also feel wonderfully light and fluffy when gently squeezed. For an extra check, a quick read thermometer inserted into the center of a biscuit should register around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures they are cooked through and ready to enjoy. Once your biscuits are out of the oven, let them cool for just a minute or two before serving. They are absolutely delicious warm with a pat of butter, your favorite jam, or smothered in savory gravy. These easy-to-make biscuits are perfect for any meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals we've found just for you. Enjoy your amazing homemade biscuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.